How do you feel when you get free assets like ready-made templates, preset, music, and titles for your videos? I am showing you this today, how we can get this and how to use it. So let's start. There are lots of sites that offer template presets like Storyblocks, Vecteezy, Envato and many more. You can get a free trial of Envato using the link in the description. Anyway, let's download the free templates. Search Mixkit on Google and open this first link. Here you can find effects, stock video, music, sound effects, and templates of Premiere Pro, After Effects, and DaVinci Resolves, and Final Cut Pro. For music, I recommend you can use the Epidemic Sound. The Epidemic is best for music and sound effect. If you sign up from the link in the description, you get a 60-day free trial and download unlimited music or sound effects. So let's download the title template of Premiere Pro. Just simply click here. Now open a Premiere Pro and install this. If you don't know how to install Mogart files, check this video link in description and I button. After adding in Premiere Pro, now edit your text and that's it. Check now this simple easy title animation without any preset. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.